Brian Bowersock, the Automan here, and today we're talking about timing belts and why this may be very important to you if your vehicle is equipped with a timing belt. Over half the vehicles are equipped with timing belts, and it's an integral part of the engine that is very important and needs to be replaced at a specific time and mileage. As you can see here, the timing belt keeps the crankshaft and camshaft in time so that firing order and all that is kept proper, valve timing, etc. The vehicle keeps running. If you do break a timing belt, the vehicle will stop running. What happens with these belts over time is often they can separate the cogs off the belt, causing an engine to have internal damage. There is interference and non-interference vehicles, so it depends on what your vehicle is as to the amount of damage if you don't replace it in a timely manner. We strongly recommend to follow manufacturer recommendations and replace the timing belt when recommended by time and mileage. All the other components in relation to the timing belt should be replaced also. So make sure when you get a quote for a timing belt that they include the water pump if it's run by the timing belt, the idlers, the tensioner, the hydraulic tensioner, etc. Get the complete job done so you have a complete job that will last for the rest of the time on the vehicle. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For more automotive news and helpful tips, join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, you can always listen to Auto Talk Radio every Saturday morning at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB radio.